Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to get a better handle on your finances, linking your PayPal account to Mint is a game changer. Mint is that awesome free app that helps you track your spending, set budgets, and stay on top of your money, all in one place. By connecting PayPal, you can automatically import your transactions, making it easier than ever to see where your cash is going. Let's dive right in and get you set up in just a few simple steps. First things first, make sure you have both a PayPal account and a Mint account ready to go. If you don't have Mint yet, download it from your App Store and create an account. It's quick and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your Mint app or website. Once you're in, head over to the Accounts section. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Here, you'll see all your connected accounts, and there should be an option to add a new one. Step 2. Click on Add Account and look for PayPal in the list of available options. Mint supports a bunch of banks and payment services, so it should be easy to find. If it's not showing up, double-check that you're using the correct category, like Payments or Other Accounts. Step 3. When you select PayPal, Mint will prompt you to log into your PayPal account. Enter your credentials securely. Never share these with anyone. Once you're authenticated, Mint might ask for permission to access your transaction history. Just review and approve that. Step 4. After authorization, Mint will start syncing your PayPal data. This could take a few minutes, depending on your transaction volume. Once it's done, you'll see your PayPal balance and recent activities right in Mint. If you hit any snags, like connection errors, check your PayPal security settings or make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. It actually helps. Also, remember to update your Mint app if it's outdated. And there you have it. Your PayPal and Mint are now linked, helping you budget like a pro. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.